Hello everyone, and how is it going? I hope your day is treating you right. Chris here at Undertrade, bringing you 4 areas off of my charts that I'm going to be watching and why. Let's go 3 lines down today, starting us at 43.25. At the time of this video, this was last used as an important area for the bulls to spring themselves upwards off of it. At this point in time, we are seeing a bit of a retracement back down towards this area. We'll see if it acts as support, but time will tell. Above, we have 44.35 marked off and 4500. 4500 is the top line. That's just a big, beautiful area of psychological resistance that has functioned so many times in the past as both resistance and support. And down below it, we have 44.35, which was last used in a very important way that's relatively subtle. The bears got themselves below this and then used it as a backboard or a back wall to keep pushing the market lower over here on the left. Now, down below where price is trading, we have 41.90 marked off, and that's a very important area of support for this overall bullish run. Good luck, happy trading. I'll see you all very soon.